Welcome to English Grammar Challenge Part 1. Total question 10. You have 3 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Let's begin the test. Choose the correct sentence. Option A. She go to the park. Option B. She goes to the park. Option C. She going to the park. Option D. She gone to the park. Correct answer is Option B. She goes to the park. What is the plural of man? Option A. Mans. Option B. Men's. Option C. Men. Option D. Man. Correct answer is option C. Men. Which word is an adjective? Option A. Swim. Option B. Quickly. Option C. Beautiful. Option D. Run. Correct answer is option C. Beautiful. Choose the correct verb form for the sentence. She ate cake yesterday. Option A. Bakes. Option B. Baking. Option C. Baked. Option D. Bake. Correct answer is option C. Baked. Which sentence is correct? Option A. He can to play the piano. Option B. He can playing the piano. Option C. He can plays the piano. Option D. He can play the piano. Correct answer is option D. He can play the piano. Choose the correct article. I saw elephant at the zoo. Option A. A. Option B. N. Option C. The. Option D. No article. Correct answer is option B. N. What is the comparative form of happy? Option A. Happiest. Option B. More happier. Option C. Happier. Option D. More happy. Correct answer is option C. Happier. Which sentence uses the correct preposition? Option A. She is afraid of the dark. Option B. She is afraid for the dark. Option C. She is afraid with the dark. Option D. She is afraid in the dark. Correct answer is option A. She is afraid of the dark. What is the past tense of see? Option A. Saw. Option B. Seed. Option C. Seen. Option D. Seeing. Correct answer is option A. Saw. Which word is a conjunction? Option A. Quickly. Option B. And. Option C. This. Option D. Always. Correct answer is option B. And. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe ABC English official channel for more videos.